Hey guys, I want to be showing you how to add a pattern overlay onto your text. Now the first thing you're going to have to do is go to your layer panel, find the text that you're going to want to add the, the pattern onto, right click it, go all the way up until you find blending options. Click on it, then you see this layer style tab. These little options will help you add whatever you want to add onto your text, but the one that we're going to be using is pattern overlay. Here's blend mode. You don't really have to completely worry too much about it, but here you can, depending on what you're doing with your text, you can change it and use it, but I'm going to be using normal for this example. Here's opacity, depending on how much, like how faint or however much you want to show your image. I'll keep mine to 100. Here's the pattern. Now you see my text is the beach, and in the background, like the inside of the text, is forest or like leaves. So I would just go change it, the arrow, then I'll just use one that like depending on what's about my about my text or whatever you're doing. I'll click on water because water is related to the beach. And then here's the angle, depending I guess like how you like your thing, as you see right here. I'm gonna just keep it at 50. And then here's the scale. Depending on I guess like how much you want to show, like if you put all the way back or if you put all the way forward. I'll just keep mine like this. You can still tell, so like right here. And you don't have to worry about the link with layer and just keep it checked. And then after that just press OK. Now that's how you add the pattern overlay. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next time.